Hey Warriors, welcome back. Today we are going to work on this table. You've seen us do it once before, and we turned it into this. And Cindy and I actually used this table in our house for quite some time, and now we're going to be replacing it. So we are going to redo it, make it a little more desirable. So we're going to show you what we're going to do to it, and we'll get started right away. Also, make sure you stick around to the very end. We have a little bit of a special announcement for you guys. We're kind of excited to tell you about some things going on, so stick around. So Cindy started painting the base of the unit, and shortly after starting, we decided maybe some tape would be a good idea. And what fun would making a video be if you didn't have the occasional camera fall over on you? So as you can see, we're working in the house. The cold weather has set in, and as such, we have to do most of our refinishing work inside the house. So we'll probably continue to be able to do one a month or so until the weather warms back up, and then hopefully we'll be able to do more for you. In the meantime, a little bit of a special announcement. Cindy and I have started a second channel, and that channel is Fluid Art Expressions. So we'll put a link down in the description, and if you're interested in taking a look at that, by all means, we'd love to have you visit us over there. We do all kinds of acrylic painting, pouring, tilts, blowouts, all kinds of cool stuff. So hope to see you guys over there. In the meantime, we've finished up on this piece, so let's take a look at the before, and then we'll show you the final result.